Today is day 7 of the Everest Base Camp trek, and we've just after spent 2 days acclimatizing here at Pheriche. Sometimes we go to Dughla. The best about coming to Pheriche is that there's a clinic here, so if anyone is sick they can get seen to. We're staying at the Himalayan Lodge. People will be feeling better after acclimatization, so we're going to head to Lobuche. On the way we're going to stay at a fascinating place for lunch, Dughla, and after lunch we're going to visit the memorials of the Dughla Pass.
Get ready for the kick. Who is it? Oh yeah.
Look at
Today we're at 4,250. We're rising really high now to Lobuche at 4,900 meters, and then we're going to be in a position for our first objective, Everest Base Camp, which we'll be doing the following day. Everybody is excited. This is their Everest Base Camp for most of the people when they come here to the High Khumbu, when they come to see Mount Everest, Chomolungma, goddess mother of our planet. Onwards and upwards. We have the power. Here we are at the Dughla Pass, and this is the memorial park to lots of climbers who would have died in the region from Everest, Lobuche and the surrounding areas, and it is here that they're remembered. It's absolutely a beautiful place, as you can see as we look around. All of the high mountains, it's like we're in the circle of the high mountains, and these are the cathedrals of these people who would have died on these big mountains. When you come here, it's a poignant reminder of the fact that mountains can be dangerous, and lots of these people would have left families behind.